A backpack is the main thing you'll buy for your short-term trips. All things considered, you can't go exploring without a rucksack. You'll require a pack that is sufficiently large to hold the entirety of your things and adequately agreeable to convey for significant distances. Most really ultralight rucksacks are frameless, hip belt discretionary, and simply intended to convey greatest prescribed loads as much as 20 pounds. While hiking this light isn't really for the vast majority, the expanded accessibility of ultralight exploring stuff and admittance to ability on the web and through virtual entertainment has made it more feasible than any other time in recent memory. Show has it that you'll need to drop the heaviness of your stuff, short food, water, and fuel, to 10 pounds or less to go ultralight, including the heaviness of your backpack. One method for doing that is to utilize a rucksack made with ultralight waterproof materials like Dyneema DCF or X-Pack. Another choice is to pick a straightforward, negligible pack that is light on highlights or is a low-volume pack that recovers weight by requiring less material to make. Our group has utilized many various backpacks north of thousands of trail miles, and we're continually scouring the market for new advancements. Allow us to utilize our experience to assist you with finding the best hiking rucksack for your requirements. Hi my friends and welcome back to my channel. In this video I present you best ultralight backpacks for hiking. Before you start, subscribe to the channel and press the like button to be up to date with all the news. Let's begin. Number 5 in our top is from the LOCALLION brand. And the updated suspension system features a flexible yoke built from custom mesh shoulder straps which avoid making you sweaty, an unbelievably comfortable padded mesh back panel and a highly breathable sponge lumbar padding for maximum breathability all day long. This LOCALLION 20L hiking mountaineering backpack is made with high-quality tear and water-resistant material, which provides extra strength and long-lasting performance with the lightest weight possible. Heavy-duty two-way SBS zippers across the backpack are convenient to operate it whichever side you prefer. Suitable for day trips or hikes. One huge main compartment for books and personal computer, one zipped pocket with an extra padded tablet sleeve, two small zipped front pockets for cell phone, keys and sunglasses, two side pockets for holding water bottles and umbrellas. Spacious pockets keep all things organized, such as hydration reservoir, clothes, laptop and more. There is a mesh hood with elasticized loops on each corner that can be used to attach something oversized to the outside, such as helmet and basketball. Sternum strap with whistle buckle work perfectly to distribute the pack's weight and keep it steady and centered. The length of the shoulder straps are adjustable. Ultralight, ultra-durable Daypack perfect for biking, hiking, camping, traveling, overnight trip, day-to-day use and more. A great gift for men, women, girls and boys. Number 4 in our top is from the TETON brand. Hit the slopes or the trail with the Mountain Adventurer 4000 backpack. It's ready for any adventure on the mountain. Carry your skis, snowshoes, or snowboard. Or take it to the trail with room for your tent, sleeping bag, and pad. It can hold all the gear you'll need for 2 to 5 days. It's ready for the roughest terrain in the most extreme parts of the world. The extra padded split dual wishbone waist pad with independent top and bottom hip and torso adjustments offer a perfect customizable fit. The unique lumbar adjustment only seen in higher-end packs completes the comfort features. Black Oxford shell is a strong, durable material that is perfect for the most rugged adventures. Multiple compression straps come with strong buckles for balancing your pack comfortably. Stormproof zippers keep your gear dry and secure. The lightweight aluminum frame provides stability, so you feel less of the load. The extra padded lumbar region is comfortable on your back. The Mountain Adventurer 4000 is designed for the most aggressive users but affordable for beginners. For all the gear you need for any outdoor adventure, these backpacks are equipped with multiple gear ties, loops, and compression straps. We continue with the number 3 that is part of the Gregory brand. Longer distances and winter temperatures require extra room, and the Optic 58 gives you that additional capacity without compromising your ultralight priorities. Proper load management, moisture-wicking ventilation, and intelligent features keep you comfortable and mentally balanced from sea level to the high Sierra, because efficient trail travel involves more than a weight claim. Removable top zippered pocket to shed ounces and swap in included ultralight weather flap to stay protected, stows in top pocket. Included custom-fitted rain cover stows in the top pocket for quick access in unexpected showers. Sunglass quick stow system on shoulder harness for quick, secure and scratch-free access to your shades without taking the pack off. Oversized, durable front stretch mesh pocket for quick access organization. Quick access on-the-go water bottle, stow access on both the right and left sides. Ventilated, dual-density focus form shoulder harness and extra supportive hip belts with targeted comfort zones. Leaf spring lumbar pad for comfortable, energy-saving load transfer. Number 2 in our top is from the Psyche brand. This climbing backpack is specially designed for traveling enthusiasts. Ergonomic padded shoulder straps and back support gives you more comfortable feeling. Breathable mesh shoulder straps with plentiful sponge padding help relieve the stress from your shoulder. Widened and thickened S-type shoulder straps and high elastic, breathable back support for best ventilation and easing burden, and this pack doesn't have an internal or external frame. Spacious main compartment and numerous pouches with large capacity, special main pocket closing drawstring design, tight closure to prevent the items falling from the backpack, with one interior pouch for water bladder, shoes separated storing pouch, preventing the items inside backpack to be dirty, convenient and practical. 2 side pockets to carry more water bottles, and it meets size requirements for most airlines. Enough room for 3 or 4 days trips. For tying up your pack or hanging sleeping bag, mat, hammock, tripod, and other gears, convenient for the hiking, climbing, camping enthusiasts. Made of high quality and safe material, it is durable for long time use. Nylon fabric material, made of high quality ripstop polyester material, water resistant, tear resistant. And included extra rain cover pouch on the bottom pouch, prevent the water and dust into the backpack, protect your valuables from heavy rain and keep everything dry. Lightweight backpack for outdoor, ultralight, only 2.1 pounds for 60L large capacity, reducing the backpack loading weight so that you can carry more other items. And finally, the number 1 product in our top is part of the 4 Monster brand. Everyone must carry a big heavy backpack in the trip. When you arrive at your camp, will you take the big backpack with you? No, you need a portable backpack allows you travel light. A backpack lightweight design in materials that fit into your pocket when folded. A broken backpack really gonna ruin the trip. We've been there, and we won't let it happen to our customer. We double the sewing and use the 30D nylon. It's gonna last long in the outdoor. Just keep away from the fire and you'll be fine. Sometimes the rain just fall without sign, and water sport is getting popular these days. Most backpacks only use waterproof nylon, but water can still penetrate into the backpack through the gap of the zipper. We use YKK waterproof zipper instead of normal zipper. Now the Daypack gonna protect your things from any rainfall and water drop. This special designed straps will reduce shoulder burden and won't make your clothes too sweaty during the long distance climbing and walking. The straps are light-weighted, but also strong and durable. You got nothing to worry about. Which hiking ultralight backpack would you like to buy? Leave us a comment below. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you next time. Goodbye.